초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Sermel and welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we're going to talk about the advocacy we made. So it's all about green steps. We made this advocacy kasi nakita namin na our surroundings are getting dirtier. Especially malapit sa mga ilog. Ang daming nagkakalat doon, ang daming nagtatapon. They don't care about their surroundings. So, pag madami na it's like, yung mga sasabihin ng mga tao is, malilinisan din yan, okay lang. Like, hanggang sa mapuno na ng mapuno. Um, and also, yung mga basura din na nagkakos kung bakit ang dami yung mga nadedengge. Dahil if we clean our surroundings, syempre, pag malinis yung kapaligiran natin, wala namang lamok, di ba? So, yun yung nagkakos ng dengue sa mga tao. Dahil sa basura, doon sila, yung mga lamok doon is doon naninirahan. Yun. Kaya we made this advocacy para may paalam sa mga tao ang mga magagandang dulot nito at para malaman din nila kung ano ang mangyayari if we continue ignoring our surroundings or our environment. Para naman aware sila na if we keep on doing na pagbabasura na lang sa gilid-gilid, mas lalong magsasuffer ang ating surroundings or our environment. So, I'm giving you simple tips on how we help our environment. So, first, participate in your barangay if if maglilinis sila. You can also clean your area if, even though walang gustong maglinis, hindi ka na, di ba? So, next is, always apply yourself the reuse, reduce, and recycle. Kasi, that's one of the important things you always need to do. Third is, yung magpa-plant ng tree. This can also prevent baha. So, yeah, it can prevent kasi hindi ng tree yun. So, isa din to sa nagpapaganda ng ating environment, yung mga plants. And lastly, we can recycle plastics. Kasi if we burn them, magkakos siya ng harm in our environment kasi yung usok niya is kakaiba. And hi guys, I just came home, so I just wanna conclude that remember that every small step towards a greener future matters. By collectively embracing our green step advocacy, we can create a sustainable world for ourselves and for our future generations. So let's take action today and make a difference. Thank you guys for watching, and as I end this video, I just want to give you pictures, pag ano lang, titignan nyo lang. Kasi syempre, maano ako eh. Oo. Bye! See ya! Guys, it's me again. Syempre, may ad pa ako. Okay, kinig kayo. Green Steps is an amazing initiative that focuses on making positive impact on our environment. And again, we believe that even small actions can make can make a big difference. Sinabi ko na to, di ba? Oo. Kahit sa sa lang ng energy ninyo dito sa bahay, kuryente, o malaking tulong na yon na, pag-less ng energy. Basta yung ng kuryente nyo, malaking tulong na yon. Yung ng water also, the water, malaking tulong na rin yun if you're, kung ilan yung kailangan yung water lang, yun lang. Hindi yung mag-ano pa kayo. And also, reducing waste and recycling. Also, dun sa sinabi ko na na pagtulong lang sa barangay niyo is sobrang laki na nun. Para sobrang laki ng tulong nun para sa environment natin. And yung mga trees, yung pagplant ng trees, di ba? Malaking tulong na yun. Like I said na dun sa baha, mag-aano siya. Oo. So, Green Steps encourages everyone to be mindful on their environment. Ano ulit yan? They preserve natural habitats. So, no, they preserve. No. It emphasizes the importance of preserving natural habitats. Yun. So, together, we can create a greener and more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. So let's take those green steps towards a brighter and healthier planet. So, magtulong-tulong lang tayo kasi kailangan natin yung environment, and also the environment needs us. So, parang give and take, ganun. Kasi pag hinahayaan natin, edi tayo lang din naman yung magsasuffer, di ba? Pag magsasuffer yung environment, magsasuffer din tayo. Kaya, let's, magtulong-tulong tayo na para maging yung planet natin. Para walang mga, mga sagabal sa environment. Alam niyo na yun, yung mga basura. Tayo din yung kawawa, guys. So, let's take action. And that's for today. And yeah, that's the last. So, bye! Thank you for watching, guys.